Doncho Financial Tips, and today we're doing a walkthrough with the Chevron credit card, gas station credit card. If you get the store card, and if you get the Visa card, of course you can use it wherever. The underwriter of this credit card will be Synchronizing Bank. With that said, let's get right into it. I'm gonna walk y'all guys through it. So like I said, as you can see, you can qualify for the Visa credit card or just the store credit card itself. We're gonna continue to scroll down and we're gonna show the perks that's provided by the cardholder benefits. As you can see, it's no annual fee, zero fraud liability, 24/7 ATM cash access, and chip security, and as well as maintenance, 6 months protection financing through the use of their credit card, whether it's Visa or the store credit card. And if you got the Visa credit card, you know you can do a cash advance and take that money off and use it if you got a particular mechanic that you would like to prefer to use. As you can see, we're going right over to the pre-qualification, and this is where the series of questions begins, where they will ask you to provide your last 4 digits of your social. They will ask for your phone number, and from there they will further ask for your first and last name, your middle initial. They will ask for your address, the state that you live in, and you will have to state your income. And one of the benefits of applying for store credit cards is the income is stated income. From there, you should get a screen that says great news, you're pre-qualified. And as you can see, you can continue to apply, or you can opt out and say you're not interested. If you do continue to apply, be aware that this pre-qualification will not be a soft pull anymore. It will become a hard pull on your credit profile because you are taking the credit limit. And that's it, family. Like, comment, and subscribe for future credit videos, future business ideas. Everything over here dealing with business and credit, and that's how we coming. We gone.